5 unexpected preps for hard times. We all know the importance of having food and water stashed away when things get rough. But surviving a crisis? Well, that's about more than just staying fed and hydrated. It's about being ready for anything that comes your way. You need to become adaptable, resourceful, a true survivor. Today, we're going beyond the basics. We're diving into 5 unexpected items you should stockpile to face any challenge. These aren't your typical preps, but trust me, when the unexpected hits, you'll be thanking me. We're talking about being able to build shelter, stay warm, even maintain hygiene when the world as we know it is gone. So, let's get straight to it. These are the essential items that could make the difference between making it and, well, you know. Don't get caught out. The power of fabrics. Fabrics are more than just materials we use to make clothes. They are essential tools for survival, especially when you're out in the wild. Understanding the properties of different fabrics can make a significant difference in how you handle various situations. Out here in the wild, fabric is more than just clothing. It's a lifeline. First up, cotton. Cotton is one of the most versatile fabrics you can have. It's not just for making comfortable t-shirts or bed sheets. In a survival scenario, cotton can be a game changer. It's breathable, easy to clean, and perfect for bandages. Imagine you get a cut or scrape while hiking. A piece of cotton fabric can be used to clean the wound and even act as a makeshift bandage. Its breathability also means it can be used to make comfortable clothing that won't overheat you. Think old t-shirts, sheets, even tea towels. Every scrap counts. Next, flannel. Flannel is another fabric that can be incredibly useful in the wild. It's not just for cozy pajamas or shirts. It has properties that make it ideal for colder environments. When the temperature drops, you'll be grateful for its warmth. Flannel is excellent for retaining heat, making it perfect for cold nights. You can use flannel shirts, blankets, or even old pajama bottoms to keep yourself warm. Flannel shirts, blankets, even those old pajama bottoms, they all make a difference. Now, linen. Linen is often overlooked, but it has some unique properties that can be incredibly beneficial. Naturally insect repellent and surprisingly strong when woven together. Linen is not just for making tablecloths or napkins. Its strength and insect repellent properties make it ideal for creating makeshift shelters or carrying supplies. Old tablecloths, napkins, even curtains can be repurposed for shelter or even to carry supplies. And let's not forget wool. Wool is one of the most durable and versatile fabrics you can have in a survival situation. And let's not forget wool. Wool is naturally water-resistant and an incredible insulator. It can keep you warm even when it's wet, which is crucial in damp or rainy conditions. Naturally water-resistant and an incredible insulator. Wool can be used to make clothing that will keep you warm and dry, even in the harshest conditions. Old sweaters, socks, even those itchy scarves your aunt knitted, they could keep you alive. Old sweaters, socks, even those itchy scarves your aunt knitted, they could keep you alive. Remember, every thread counts, so raid those closets, check the back of the linen cupboard, and get creative. And get creative. You never know what might come in handy. Because out here, resourcefulness is key to survival. The more you know about the fabrics you have, the better prepared you'll be to face whatever challenges come your way. So take a moment to appreciate the power of fabrics and how they can be your best ally in the wild. Beyond the cocktail, the uses of spirits. Spirits, often seen as just a means to unwind or celebrate, have a multitude of uses that go far beyond the cocktail glass. These potent liquids have been a part of human culture for centuries, not just for their intoxicating effects, but for their practical applications as well. Now, I'm not talking about enjoying a glass by the fire. While that's certainly one way to use them, there's a whole world of possibilities that open up when you think outside the bottle. In a survival situation, spirits, and I mean the strong kind, become a critical part of your toolkit. Imagine being out in the wilderness, far from the comforts of home. Your survival gear is essential, and spirits can play a surprisingly versatile role. Whiskey, vodka, rum, they're not just for drinking. These high-proof spirits can be lifesavers in more ways than one. Their high alcohol content makes them invaluable for disinfection. In the absence of medical supplies, a bottle of spirits can be a makeshift antiseptic. Need to clean a wound? A splash of high-proof spirit will do the trick. It can help prevent infection when you don't have access to more conventional medical supplies. Just remember to dilute it with water first. You don't want to cause more pain. The high alcohol content can be harsh on open wounds, so a little dilution goes a long way. Making a medicinal tincture? Spirits act as a natural preservative, extracting the beneficial properties of herbs and plants. This method has been used for centuries in traditional medicine, but it doesn't stop there. Spirits can be used in a variety of other ways that might surprise you. In a pinch, spirits can be used for bartering. When resources are scarce, a bottle of whiskey or vodka can become a valuable trade item. They become a valuable commodity when other supplies run dry. In times of crisis, the value of spirits can skyrocket, making them a powerful tool for negotiation and trade. Understanding the multiple uses of spirits could be a game changer when it comes to survival. Whether it's for medical purposes, bartering, or even just a morale boost, knowing how to utilize spirits effectively can make a significant difference in challenging situations. So next time you look at a bottle of whiskey, vodka, or rum, remember, it's not just a drink, it's a versatile tool in your survival arsenal. Chapter 3. We all know staying clean is vital for health, especially in a crisis. But what happens when the store-bought soap runs out? You make your own. Lye, yes, that strong alkali, is the key ingredient in soap making. It might sound daunting, but trust me, it's a skill worth mastering. You'll need fats like coconut oil or animal fat, and a few basic supplies. Don't worry, I'll share my tried and tested recipe in the description below. Learning to make soap is about more than just cleanliness. It's about self-sufficiency, resourcefulness, and taking control of your survival. And let me tell you, nothing beats the feeling of washing away the grime of a hard day's work with a bar of soap you made with your own 2 hands. Chapter 4. Baking soda. It's probably sitting in your pantry right now, but this unassuming box holds a world of possibilities. Of course, it's great for baking, but in a survival situation, its value goes way beyond making bread rise. Baking soda can be used for cleaning, deodorizing, even putting out small fires. It's a true multitasker. Need to scrub grime off your dishes? Baking soda. Want to neutralize odors in your shelter? Baking soda. Got a minor burn? You guessed it, baking soda. And here's a bonus tip. Heat baking soda to create washing soda, a powerful cleaning agent that can cut through grease and grime. So, stock up on this pantry staple. It's cheap, versatile, and might just save the day when you least expect it. Chapter 5. Now let's talk about detoxification. In a crisis, access to clean water and medical supplies might be limited. That's where nature's purifiers come in. Activated charcoal, often used in water filters, can bind to toxins in the body and help flush them out. It's a lifesaver in cases of accidental poisoning. Bentonite clay, another natural wonder, can draw out impurities from the skin and even be used to treat digestive issues. And then there's diatomaceous earth, a natural insecticide that can also be used to filter water and even as a dewormer for livestock. These natural remedies might seem unconventional, but they've been used for centuries and could be invaluable in a survival situation. Remember, knowledge is power. Familiarize yourself with these natural purifiers and they might just become your greatest allies. So there you have it, 5 unexpected items that could make all the difference in a crisis. Each of these items, though seemingly ordinary, holds incredible potential to enhance your survival strategy. Whether you're a seasoned prepper or just starting out, incorporating these items into your emergency kit can provide you with a significant advantage when the unexpected happens. From the versatility of fabrics, which can be used for everything from clothing repairs to makeshift shelters, to the power of spirits, which can serve as disinfectants, fire starters, and even barter items in a pinch. From the importance of soap making, ensuring hygiene and health even when commercial products are unavailable, to the humble heroics of baking soda, a multi-purpose item that can be used for cleaning, deodorizing, and even personal care, and the natural purification powers of activated charcoal and its allies, which can filter water, treat poisonings, and even be used in wound care. These preps go beyond the basics. They represent a deeper level of preparedness, one that anticipates a wide range of scenarios and challenges. Remember, surviving isn't just about food and water. It's about having the right tools and knowledge to adapt to any situation. It's about being able to think on your feet and use what you have in innovative ways. It's about being adaptable, resourceful, and prepared for anything. Whether you're in the wilderness, facing a natural disaster, or dealing with a prolonged power outage, these skills and items can make a significant difference. So, start stocking up, learn these skills, and you'll be ready to face whatever challenges come your way. Take the time to practice using these items and incorporate them into your regular preparedness routines. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more essential survival tips. Your support helps us create more content that can help you stay prepared and informed. And let me know in the comments below what other unexpected preps you think people should know about. Your insights and experiences are valuable, and sharing them can help build a stronger, more prepared community. Who knows, we might just cover them in the next video. Stay tuned for more tips, tricks, and insights into the world of survival prepping. Until next time, stay safe and stay prepared.